Very good kisses. Very good. No. What are you doing?
Afraid you'll have to draw from the string from now on.
You want a treat?
You want to get on, don't you? Do see if you do it. All right.
That? Good boy. Oh, what happened? What happened, Oliver? Oh my goodness. Oh. Uh-oh, I didn't get that one. It was too quick. Thank you. Can you have it? Thank you. What are you doing? Doing?
You're so silly. You're so silly. Which one's Daddy's favorite color, Oliver? Which one's Daddy's favorite color? Daddy's favorite? Well, I can get you.
What you doing?
I can get you. Sweet boy.
He said peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Hey. Hey. Oliver?
Huge window that lets in tons of natural light. That window, along with the one above the shelf.
Would you like a treat? What are you doing up there? What's going on? I like your long tail, Oliver. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. You're pretty, Oliver.